this Thursday morning. I'm Jennifer Vong. AV education. That story in a moment, but first, your headlines. We'll begin with September U.S. sales, and the month can be summarized in two phrases: volume down, SAR strong. The Japan 3 saw double-digit sales declines, and the estimates for the Detroit 3 showed double-digit drops as well. You can blame the calendar for some of the damage. September had 2 fewer selling days than the year earlier month, and Labor Day weekend sales this year were counted as part of August's tally. Industry-wide sales slipped an estimated 12% last month and are off 1.6% for the year. But the seasonally adjusted annual sales rate came in at a strong 17.16 million. In fact, the SAR has topped 17 million 5 times this year. LMC Automotive analyst Jeff Schuster saying, quote, "As the global sales outlook continues to weaken, light vehicle demand in the U.S. remains robust." Now to September's winners and losers, and luxury brands topping the winners column. Hyundai's Genesis continued sharply higher sales, due in part to the new G70. Volume nearly quadrupled. An estimated 11% gain at Lincoln. It was followed by Land Rover, Volvo, and BMW. On the flip side, Fiat sales were down an estimated 54% last month. A 44% drop at Infiniti. Nissan's luxury mark followed by Alfa Romeo, Chrysler, and Lexus. Alfa and Chrysler also estimates, as the Detroit 3 now only report quarterly sales. For more numbers and analysis, stay with autonews.com. To the ongoing corruption probe into the UAW, 2 former union officials are reportedly cooperating with federal prosecutors to help build a criminal case against UAW President Gary Jones. The Detroit News reported that retired Secretary-Treasurer Gary Castile and former Region 5 assistant under Jones, Danny Truell, have met with the feds to provide an insider's view of alleged corruption. The newspaper cited 6 sources familiar with the investigation and court records. Prosecutors say top UAW officials used union funds to pay for booze, cigars, trips to Palm Springs, California, and other luxuries. The newspaper previously reported that Jones and former President Dennis Williams have been implicated in the case. Neither Jones nor Williams has been charged with any wrongdoing. In total, the feds have charged 11 people in the corruption probe and have 9 convictions. The UAW did not immediately respond to a request for comment.
Chevrolet brings the future.
And Chevrolet unveiling the drop-top C8 Corvette on Wednesday. It's the first ever Corvette with a retractable hardtop. Chevy says the 2-piece top can be activated at speeds of up to 30 miles per hour and will retract in as little as 16 seconds. The 2020 convertible Stingray starts at $67,495. That includes shipping and is a $7,500 premium over the coupe. It's expected to arrive in stores in the spring. AV education. Waymo has recently teamed with several organizations, including AAA, to launch a campaign that aims to teach people about the benefits and safety of autonomous vehicles. The initiative is called Let's Talk Self-Driving.
You guys are going to be observing a collision avoidance test?
As part of the effort, the self-driving car unit of Google parent Alphabet recently hosted AAA school safety patrol members and students at a closed-course facility. The kids got a chance to ride in Waymo vehicles and watch them in action. The company says young folks offer a unique perspective on the self-driving experience. That's because they're growing up with the evolving technology.
Cool that they can stop on their own without you having to press the brake, especially if somebody's running across the street and it'll stop automatically.
Waymo and AAA have also developed a lesson plan for teachers to encourage students to think about how AVs can reduce unsafe behavior, such as texting. Waymo says its AVs have driven a total of 10 million miles on public roads in the U.S. This marks the end of today's show. We'll catch you back here tomorrow morning. Take care.